Hey guys, it's controversial here. Now, hope everyone is doing well because men have just taken a W. Johnny Depp won the defamation case against Amber Heard, and Amber Heard has to fork over so much money. Like, what you just saw is literally men winning a huge generational war against women for domestic violence, and the stigma and the stigma around male abuse, female abuse towards men and domestic violence against men, female women, you know what I mean. And like, for Johnny Depp to have won this case, he has really had to face so many beatings online and through. Like, Johnny Depp lost all of his jobs. He lost his job for the Pirates of the Caribbean and for the Fantastic Beasts. Like, Johnny Depp has really been put through the ringer over these past 2 years because of past 2 3 years. I mean, this case has been going on for a long time. Johnny Depp tried to sue the tabloids for making fake news about him and fake allegations and stuff against him, calling him a wife beater. When in essentially the whole case, Amber Heard was the abuser and the aggressor. We've all heard the tapes. We've all heard the evidence and everything. And all this evidence was as far back, I think, as like 2019. I think as far back as 2019 is when all of these tapes started to surface, and they were posted everywhere. And what happened with those tapes? Nothing concrete happened. Amber Heard got off scot-free, and then she tries to frame Johnny Depp as the woman abuser in this situation. And now you can see it's pretty much backfired, because all the evidence, all the recollections and everything has been pointing against her. I remember even Amber Heard's lawyer quit at one point because it was a cut and dry case. There was no way Amber Heard was going to win this case, period. She might as well have just, I don't know, at this point she might as well have just disappeared from Hollywood and whatnot, because there was no way that she was going to win this. But honestly speaking, Johnny Depp was really put through a lot. I remember he even had to address, because Johnny Depp before the cases, he never had an Instagram, and then he created an Instagram to basically voice his opinion, to basically voice his opinion. And then he's won. So now Amber Heard has to pay him $15 million, or essentially I think $13 million, as people are saying. It's just immensely crazy to see how the story has unfolded. But then again, if you really don't want to be in a relationship with someone, don't be in a relationship. If you really don't want to give someone kids, don't give them kids. If you really don't want violence, when it comes to domestic violence, there is sort of a stigma around domestic violence and men, about men talking out against women who abuse them, sexually assault them. I mean, for example, just for example, just the like over the like just this year we had the Sienna May case. So it makes this is how women have been able to get away with violence and inappropriate acts against men and children. Like, what happened to no means no? What happened to keep your hands to yourself? Where was all these Me Too movements when Johnny Depp was getting the crack, like when Johnny Depp was getting the hex smacked out of him, cut, bruised, and like an Amber Heard was beating him and whatnot? Like, there's so much that has been going on, and some of the stuff that she brought up. But anyway, so men took a W. All men out there who are suffering from domestic violence and everything will feel a lot better knowing that they don't have to be quiet about it. And I remember I was talking to some woman on YouTube when I was commenting about this, and they say, no, Amber Heard is stealing. Like, Amber Heard is really ruining domestic violence, because there are so many real victims out there who suffer real domestic violence, and no one believes them now. Like, it's taken with a grain of salt and whatnot. Like, people, like, she's taking the attention away from real victims who are in real life and death situations against domestic violence. So women are not too happy with Amber Heard, and this whole situation was completely blown through the roof. Like, no one was on Amber Heard's side at this point. No one was on the side of Amber Heard at this point. But anyway, guys, this is controversial signing off saying, keep your hands to yourself. Keep your hands to yourself. Respect the people that you're in relationships with. Don't hit other people. Don't beat, scratch, punch. Everyone has their own rights. And these days, like, the double standard of women and men need to be taken away. We need justice. We need justice. It should not have taken this long for Amber Heard to be prosecuted, or for, yes, to be prosecuted essentially. And the fact that she's not facing any jail time just goes to show you what justice is these days. Because Amber Heard literally committed perjury in many cases of lying. You cannot lie in court and whatnot. But hey, I guess that's just how the cookie crumbles. But anyway, guys, this is controversial signing off. I'll see all of you guys next video. Goodbye.